Hello students, welcome to Harita Math Tuitions. Hope you are all fit and fine. So it's been a long time since we met. I am very busy with my students, so I am not getting time to shoot the videos. So today I found time and I wanted to share one with you guys. So this is the chapter called Areas of Circles, and it's a chapter from class 9th ICSE. So I found it interesting and I wanted to share with you guys. So the problem says AC and BD are the perpendicular diameters of the circle ABCD. So this is my circle ABCD. AC and BD are the diameters which are perpendicular to each other. So given that the area of shaded portion is 308. So this and this are shaded. So together the area of shaded portions is 308. So we need to calculate the length of AC and also the circumference of the circle. So it's very simple to do. You just need to understand the question and just go ahead with it. So it's given that, let us write the data which is given first. So AC comma BD are perpendicular to each other, isn't it? So it's 90 degrees here. So what happens now? BD is perpendicular to what? To AC. That implies what? Your BD becomes a perpendicular bisector. BD becomes the perpendicular bisector of AC. That implies what happens? If BD is a perpendicular bisector of AC, OA is equals to, OC is equals to, this will be equal to this. Is nothing but twice AC. Right. So, if you look at the question, how are AOB and COD looking? This is AOB, right? This is COD, isn't it? How are they looking? Are they looking like quadrants or not? Half of semicircle, isn't it? Right? So, we're going to write that area of AOB plus area of DOC or COD is given as what? 308 centimeters square. So area of AOB is what? You know that the area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2, isn't it? Because it is a quadrant, quadrant will be half of semicircle. So the area will be what now? Pi r square by 4. Right? So area of COD is also will be pi r square by 4 because a quadrant is half of the semicircle, which is equals to 308. Right? So now what will I do? This will be how much? 2 pi r square by 4 is equals to 308. So I'm going to simplify this. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So it is pi r square. Pi is, I'll write it as 22 by 7 into r square is equals to 308 into 2. So 2 1s are, 2 11s are. So r square is equals to 308 into 7 by 11. So it will be like 11 1s are, 11 2s are 22 and 88. 8 will be remaining. 8s are 88. So 28 into 7. So how much is 28 into 7? 196. So r square is equals to 196. R is what? Root 196, which is 14. Right guys? So r is equals to 14 you got. What is r? See, for this quadrant this is the radius. This is the radius. And for this quadrant this is the radius. This is also the radius. So you got radius as 14. That means what? OA as 14. Right? That implies OA is equals to 14 centimeters. Right? So, but we know that, oh, here I just made a mistake. OA is equals to OC is equals to half AC. I wrote twice. That implies what here? Twice OA is equals to AC, isn't it? Yeah? So we can write what AC is. He is asking the length of AC. So AC is what? 2 times OA, which is 2 into 14, which is 28 centimeters. Is it clear guys? So I'll wait for some time so that you can go through this. And we're going to find the circumference of the circle. So let me explain you again. AC and BD are perpendicular to each other is what is being given. So that means BD acts as a perpendicular bisector of AC. That implies OA is equals to OC is equals to half AC. It's nothing but twice OA is equals to AC. Now it's also given that the area of the shaded region is 308. So this plus this is 308, but these two are looking like quadrants to us. Quadrant is nothing but the half of the semicircle. So area of AOB plus area of COD is 308. So area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. So area of quadrant will be pi r square by 4. So pi r square by 4 plus pi r square by 4 is 308. So I calculated it and I got the radius as 196. It's looking like 1961, 196. So what is the radius? For a quadrant, this and this will be the radius, is it not? Because it's half of the semicircle, right? So this is the whole thing will be your diameter. If you take this as your semicircle, this is the diameter. So this will be what? Radius, isn't it? So this also is radius. You know that radius is same throughout the circle, isn't it? So radius you got as 14. But what is the radius? OA. OA you got at 14. And what is AC? Twice of OA. Because AC is the diameter, right? So diameter is twice the radius. So 2 into 14, which is 28 centimeters. So length of AC is what? 28 centimeters. Cool? Understood? Next, I'm going to erase this and I'm going to find the circumference of the circle. What is circumference? Circumference is nothing but the perimeter, right? Perimeter of the circle we need to find. We got the radius. It's very simple to find the circumference of the circle, isn't it? What is the circumference of the circle formula? Circumference or perimeter of the circle is what? 2 pi r. 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r. We got r as 14, right? Because radius is same throughout the circle. You know that very well. So 2's are 22 into 4, which is 88 centimeters. So we got the 88 centimeters. Therefore, we could find out that the length of the AC or the length of the diameter is 28 centimeters and the circumference of the circle is 88 centimeters. So I hope you have understood it very clearly. It's only that you understand the question properly so that solving becomes very easier for you. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Harita Math Tuitions. And hope you are all healthy again. Stay safe. Thank you so much and bye.